Hello everyone, it's me Rajni Rawat. I am back on my YouTube channel Activity Learning Hub. So my lovely friends, today I bring a craft, or as you can think that this is an art video also. So this is a mixed video based on art and craft. Fine. So today I bring this video for your small kids, those who have छोटे छोटे बच्चों के लिए ये वीडियो है. इट्स वेरी इजी वीडियो. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ कैन यू मेक आइसक्रीम टार. So today I am going to teach you and it's going to be very amazing. and उसके लिए हमें कोई ज़्यादा मटेरियल की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We don't have to need lots of material. The material which we have to need, that is only this A4 size paper. You have to need of crayons, a black sketch, and pencil and eraser, of course, for the kids. But if you are going to draw your own, then you can use simple sketch also. But if you are doing it first time, or your kids are doing this, then definitely they will use this pencil and eraser. Fine. Now I am going to start my video. For this activity you can use any paper. I am using this white sheet. You can use any colored sheet. Fine. So what we will do, first of all we will fold this paper like this. After folding you will find a line here, so we will again fold it like this. Definitely one more line you will find. Then we will fold it now in opposite direction with the first line attached with the first line. Now we will do it like this. You will find top and the bottom of the pages in two way. Now we will draw one scoop on the above of the page, or you can say that on the top of the page like this. And after then we will draw a curvy line. So remember one thing, it should not touch the first page. जो ऊपर का पेज है उससे टच नहीं होना चाहिए. Then we will draw a cone at the bottom of the page in this way, and definitely we will not leave it like this. We will draw it beautifully. I am drawing horizontal lines and also in opposite directions. So in this way it's now looking beautiful. So whenever you will open this, you will find it like this. Yes. Now I am coming to the above of the page. Now remember, in the second box I am going to draw this curvy line again. So remember this thing, and half of the curve, and one more curvy line I am going to draw. So remember this, it should come in this between of the two lines only. Now I am going to draw two half curves again in this way, and one more curvy line. Sorry, it's not visible here in this screen, but doesn't mean I am not doing this. Yes, this curvy line I am going to draw two half curve on the both sides, and I am going to attach it with the cone. Cone के साथ मैंने attach कर दिया उन्हें. Now it's looking like this. So you can open it, close it. Now I am going to draw the faces of all these scopes. So first face which I am going to draw, that is looking very happy. It's very different. You can draw any of your faces, any faces which you want to draw easily. So you can choose any of them in this one also, and you can draw it your own also. I am going to draw the eyelashes of eyes also, and as well as I am going to draw the mouth. Yay! Now it will look like this. Now coming to the second scoop, I am going to draw the happy face because it's very happy. Yay! Sure, I am going to draw this face on this scoop. Yes. Now I am coming to third one, and it's very pleasant smile. That's why he's also happy. That's why I am going to draw this face. You can draw these faces or any of your choice also. Now last one, I am going to draw it different because I want to show it's in angry mood. Why it's an angry mood? The reason is that all the three scoops are on above of it. That's why ये angry mood में, क्योंकि सारे के सारे स्कूप तो इसके ऊपर आ गए, तो इसे थोड़ा सा तो गुस्सा आएगा ना, इसीलिए मैंने इसका फेस थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट ड्रॉ किया है, थोड़ा सा मैं इसे डिफरेंट ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ एंग्री मूड में. नाउ इट्स लुकिंग लाइक दिस. So all the faces are ready. Now I am going to decorate all the faces. I am going to add sprinkle on the scoops. So I am going to add different pattern like dots, circles, and the third scoop I am going to draw shapes like squares. In this way you can use any of pattern or shape. And in the last one I'm going to draw the different one, that is triangle shapes. So you can use that one also. Any of your shape pattern you can use here to decorating, for decorating purpose. Now I am going to fill the colors in the all the scoops as well as the cone. So you will fill it, and after filling the colors definitely it look beautiful like this. So after filling it looking like this, so whenever you will open it look like this. So in this way you can do it at your home with your kids. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.